Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your YouTube channel so no one can see your videos, playlists, or even your profile. This is useful if you're taking a break, want to clean up your content, or just need privacy without deleting your channel completely. So let's begin. First, go to youtube.com and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to hide. Now, in the top right corner, click on your profile icon, then click YouTube Studio. From the left hand menu, scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Channel and then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll to the bottom and click on Remove YouTube Content. Yes, it sounds scary, but don't worry, you're not deleting anything yet. This will take you to a Google page where you will be asked to sign in again. After signing in, you will see two options. One to delete your content permanently and another to hide your channel. Choose I want to hide my channel, then check all the boxes to confirm you understand what will be hidden, like your videos, likes, subscriptions, and playlists. Finally, click hide my channel and you are done. Your channel is now hidden from the public view, but the content remains safe in case you want to bring it back later. To unhide it, you can simply re-enable your channel by posting a video or making your content public again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.